Hey man, it's quite surprising that a lot of people was not feeling the Air Jordan 4 Vivid Sulfurs, but me myself, man, I honestly think that if Jordan Brand would have done extended sizing, these sneakers would have done a lot better, or if they would have just made these a regular release, men's, GS, kids, all that good stuff, man. The Vivid Sulfurs definitely would have got a lot more love, in my honest opinion. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys know it's greatly appreciated, man. We come to you guys with these videos because this one in particular kind of, got me thinking about a couple of things which we're going to talk about in today's video. But if you guys are new here right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We like less than 800 away from 85K, man. Super close to that ultimate goal, man, that 100K plaque. I want to say thank you guys every single video because we're going to get there before we know it. And hey, I can feel it, bro. We can feel it coming, man. So again, shouts out to you guys for the support, all the love, the likes, the comments, all that stuff is not going noticed. So keep it up. Let's keep rocking out. Let's get that 100K together, man. So yo guys, real quick, man, in almost every one of my sneaker review videos, people are always asking me, man, where do you get your pairs? Where do you get your cargos? And in today's video, I'm gonna put you guys on to BLACKTAILOR, man. I've been rocking out with BLACKTAILOR for so long, and we're gonna check out a couple of the items that they sent over to your boy DeVintage, review them things real quick. So let's go ahead and hop into it, man. So for the first pants you guys see right here, these are the V5 cargos. I own my true size 34. I know a lot of you guys always asking me, man, what pants are you rocking? Which cargos are you rocking? And then 9 times out of 10, it is from BLACKTAILOR. You guys already know, man, I've been working with BLACKTAILOR for so long. Got a discount code you guys can use, Real DeVintage 10, to save 10% off your entire order. Here next, you guys see another pair of the V5, but it is in that black color. We're gonna get you some, basic pants to wear with a lot of sneakers you guys see. I have on the Knock the Glide, so you can wear them with any sneaker you want. Nice layer system, nice zippers towards the ankle, which a lot of people do tend to wear nowadays, man. And next, you guys see we have the X9 joints. I really like these, something different. You have a little belt buckle that you can attach however you do want to rock it. But again, all black, you can't go wrong with it. BLACKTAILOR is pretty much the way to go, man. And then next right here, you guys can see we do have on the X16 cargos, man. Super relaxed fit, very durable, good quality, thick material. And I want to throw these on, see how they fit. My first time actually trying this pair from BLACKTAILOR, and it came out pretty well, in my honest opinion, man. And next right here, you guys can see something totally different that I've never ever got from BLACKTAILOR. I say, you know what, I want to test it out. I want to test the horizon, what I'm rocking, and this is how it came out. Nice oversized look, nice relaxed feel that you can wear throughout the entire year, being the N40 cargos. And then last but not least, we have on the Y4 cargos. Super relaxed fit. I want to try these out as well. Nice flare towards the ankle portion where the sneakers go. I throw in a pair of Timbs. I feel like it came out a-okay. So make sure you guys go check out BLACKTAILOR. Use my code RealDevintage10. Save 10% off your entire order, man. So yeah, man, here we have them, the Air Jordan 4 Women's Vivid Sulfurs right here. And I want to show y'all a particular sneaker, man. Let me show y'all these beauties right here, man. The fire red Air Jordan 4s. You guys can see the same color blocking, bro. You could definitely see the same color blocking. Of course, they hit us with that yellow ochre hit, that Vivid Sulfur, whatever they do want to call that yellow. And you don't get the same, of course, you don't get the same effect of, of course, the ultimate fire red, Air Jordan 4s. But that same color blocking definitely does make these a lot better, man. Definitely makes them a lot better. But like I said, again, they didn't do extended sizing. They didn't make this a regular release. So it kind of made people think like, yo, I don't really want to even try to go for these joints, even though they did go up to a size 12 in men, or 10 and a half in men. 10 and a half in men is the biggest size they did have on these. And I want to make sure, bro. Let me make sure right now on the sneakers app real quick, because it seems like, what I'm saying, this is my opinion. I feel like even if they did make this a regular drop, people would not feel them. And you guys probably know why I'm saying that right now. Is because we about to get the Air Jordan 4 military blues, bro. Everybody wants the military blues. They don't care if it's 1 million pairs. They don't care if it's 2 million pairs. People are super excited for that sneaker. So that's why I'm kind of banking on that shoe to probably be shoe of the year, because honestly, it don't matter about how much you going for. It don't matter how many pairs they produce for a certain sneaker. People are loving them and people are, you know, super excited for that sneaker. They're gonna ultimately deem that one a sneaker of the year just based off of all the hype, all the excitement for that particular sneaker, man. The military blues, I'm talking about, people been talking about them since February, bro. After the Brand Reimagine drop, they was already on the military blues, man. But you guys can see right here, they are still currently sitting on the Nike sneakers app, which is to be expected. I ain't think it's gonna sell out or nothing like that, but I did think it would get a little bit more respect. But I'm gonna check out the size, and that did sell out. Yeah, so they did go up to a size men 10.5 right here, as you guys can see, and everything else is literally sitting, bro. So if you wanted a pair, yo, you can really get it, bro. You could definitely get that pair right here. And this might be one of them ones, bro. Might be one of them ones, almost like the metallic gold Air Jordan 4s, which has been getting a lot more buzz on my channel, particularly. Even on Instagram, people are sharing it. People are talking about them. A lot of people are starting to like the metallic gold Air Jordan 4s a lot more. But guess what Nike did? They made those a women's exclusive as well. And they did not do extended sizing on that sneaker either, man. So I don't know what's going on. I remember last year, year before that, they did extended sizing all the time. Like, you know, when we got a women's exclusive, that, you know, even the Bigfoot fellas can get this sneaker as well. But now this year, bro, with a dope, I feel like this is a dope colorway. And I don't know if this is just because it is, you know, that fire red, you know, color blocking, or if it's just because it is another Jordan 4, that yellow ochre hidden. And if I had a base, you know what I'm saying, to rank all the yellow Air Jordans we've been getting this year, the yellow ochre 6s, the yellow ochre 1s, I will rank these over all of them, bro. That's just my honest opinion, bro. But this might be one of the ones, like I said, later down the line, people like, yo, these come in extended size, and can I get my size? Or even people that wear a 10.5 and down, they're gonna go back and grab these things. They ain't gonna sit for long, bro. We know a lot of Jordans been sitting, but something about Jordan 4s that I've noticed, Jordan 4s do not sit for that long at all, because people know, you know, it's a Jordan 4. Them joints are still tough. You can definitely get some dope outfits out of them. And, you know, later down the line, they're going to be gone, and you got to pay that resale bread, man. But I'm definitely feeling these joints, man. You guys can see you got the yellow Jumpman on the back. You also got the yellow Jumpman on the tongue with the flight underneath. And something that I will knock on this particular, you know, Jordan right here is the leather quality. Leather quality is not good at all. It's not great. It's not bad either. You know what I'm saying? It's not as bad as these right here. It's crazy. I got them all the way on this side of the drop fronts. But this has to be the worst leather quality on a 4 I've ever had. The white cement joints. Still a very, very dope colorway. And you know, we've been getting, you know, rumors, or not even rumors, we've been getting confirmations that we get in the metallic 5s. We get in the flu games. Another shoot I released back in 2016 is these joints right here, the Air Jordan 4 white cement. So hopefully we get these to drop again. I said it yesterday on stream, I'm gonna pretty much stamp it because we either get it next year or in 2026, but I'm banking on it dropping next year because it's due for another re-release. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys if you went and secured a pair of these joints. You're leaving them on the shelves, you're leaving them on Sneakers app. Let me know how y'all feeling about them, and hopefully if you are passing, they do, you know, kind of stay true to the trend for most Jordans that do sit. At the outlets, you can get a nice discount on these joints when you cop them from the outlets and stuff like that, man. So if you did cop, let me know ASAP Rocky down below in the comment section. I told you guys I'm not a crazy fan of this shoe, but it is, you know, a solid Air Jordan 4. It's nothing to go crazy over. It's not a must cop. It's not nothing you gotta, you know, go out and break the bank for. But if you do love Jordan 4s, you love yellow, this is probably your go-to. And if you're size 10.5 and men and down, you're good to go. So what I want to do, man, is touch more into, you know what I'm saying, the women's side of things, because women are part of the sneaker community as well. Wish we had one woman that did actually watch the channel so I can get their feedback, their honest takes on, you know, certain women's exclusive, because I can fit in y'all sizes too, you know what I'm saying? Size 9.5, size 11 in women, I can fit in all y'all drops. So if y'all can go ahead and comment if y'all are watching, I'd be greatly appreciated. I want to get y'all take y'all personal opinion over, you know what I'm saying, what Jordan Brand doing for y'all, the women's exclusive Air Jordan 4 yellow ochres, aka the Vivid Sulfur joints. So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Not gonna hold you up too long, but we are gonna throw these things on feet with some cargos and pants from BLACKTAILOR. Make sure you guys use my discount code Real DeVintage 10, save 10% off your entire order. And that's where you can, you know what I'm saying, go over there, see what they got, browse the site. I'm telling you, they got the best cargos on the market. hands down. Use that discount code RealDeVintage10, save some money, get you some fresh pants to rock with your sneakers that you're copping this year in 2024. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop over here in the channel. And with all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.